Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo and I'm about to funbox a Moto Razr Plus, the Viva Magenta edition. Eh? I guess they were all out of Colombia. Let's do the time warp again. No. This is not only Viva Magenta edition, but it's also foldable. Did you hear a pop? It was my, not pop, it's the unboxing juice that I'm drinking right now. An Imperial Stout. It came in like a wrecking ball. Well, there went my watch time for this video. Let's see here. It comes with the phone, an USB Type-C cable, guides, and a SIM tool. Let's see if we get a good box fart. No box fart. But we do have a warning. It says, please do not remove the attached internal screen protector or use third-party screen protectors on the internal screen. Gosh, this is already reading like stereo instructions. Do I need a degree to use this thing? Okay, first we gotta see if it flips. It flips. It flipped right out. That's just as advertised, right? The whole flip nature of a flip phone. If it doesn't flip out of the box, it's not a flip phone. Now inside the box, we have a place where I assume you have to stick your finger. Okay, nothing's biting it. What's supposed to happen? Is this a button? Oh, I see. This is also plastic-free, recyclable, and it's made with soy ink. And voila! We have our cable, we have our instructions, we have our terms and conditions. This is very important. Oh, you want me to read it out loud? Go ahead and slide the phone out of the paper protector. I assume I can do this. I assume it's safe. Yeah, it's safe, and wow, I do love that shine. Wow, you know, I wasn't expecting this color in real life. I mean, I don't know what else I expected with magenta, but you know, I don't know if I would have flipped for this color if I saw it at a distance, but up close, that's a nice shine. And on the back here, that's vegan leather. Seriously, because I'm a vegan, and they gave this to me specifically. They made the vegan leather here for people like me. No, it's actually for everybody. What? No, I'm sure you could use it even if you're not vegan. Stick a cow on it. Maybe that'll make you feel better. It's always been funny to me how no one cares about my health until I tell them I'm a vegan, then it's suddenly, oh my god, you need to eat animal protein or you're gonna die in 5 minutes. I never had a traditional flip phone back in the day when they were first a thing. I largely stuck to what they used to call candy bar phones. Although now that I look at it, this could be considered like a candy bar. See if I can fit it in my mouth.
I'm never going to be invited to funbox another thing again, ever.
That's pretty much it. There's really not much else to funbox at this point. I can tell you that I'm probably going to have to wrestle this away from the rest of my family. They're going to see that color and they are going to flip for it. In many ways, this is not so much a smartphone. Yes, it is a smartphone, but it's also a fashion statement. I could see my wife using this as a portable compact mirror. A very pricey portable compact mirror. No, still white. I am rather interested in trying this because, again, I talked about not being sure about the flippable and foldable resurgence, but when given the opportunity to take a look at this, I couldn't pass it up. All right, let's see how well this works. I'm trying to flip it open one-handed. There we go. Scotty, beam me up. Scotty will not answer me because the phone's not on yet. The thing that worries me most about this is that I don't know how to protect it, and I'd be afraid of dropping it.
Flashback.
I've never dropped. You can edit that out, right? The entire device is attractive, but part of it here is very attracted to fingerprints. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna see if I can lift the fingerprint like they do in the movies. Yep, now I can break into my own vault. I have a feeling that if iJustine saw this, she'd change her handle to Moto Justine, because this may not be pink, but it's certainly a lot more pink than other phones might be this year. Plus, it flips! Try doing that with your phone, and believe me, I've tried. It doesn't really work. At this point, I should point out that Motorola has no idea I'm doing this funboxing, and I should also point out that I have no idea what I'm doing with this funboxing. Razr, am I missing a hidden feature? Nope. Yo! Yeah, no, I'm almost done. That was a representative from Motorola asking me to knock it off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on so I can shoot my reaction video if I can figure out where the power button is. Computer!
Gosh, 2 Scotty references
In the same video.
What are the odds?
Never tell me the odds. Oh my god, I made a Star Trek reference.
With the Star Wars reference.
And away we go. Moto, are you flipping or folding your phones? Either way, at this point, I'm going to leave you to your own device. I'm on my way, I'm making it big time. Peter Gabriel's gonna sue me.